In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly adjust an image so it fits better in your frame, remove unwanted edges, or simply improve your composition, cropping is one of the easiest tools to use in DaVinci Resolve. The good news is that this process is very simple once you know where to find the controls. To begin, click on your image so it is selected. This is important because DaVinci Resolve will only show the editing options for the clip or image you currently have highlighted. If nothing is selected, you may not see the settings you need, so make sure your image is active before moving on. Next, go to the top right area of the interface and open the Inspector tab. The Inspector is where you'll find many of the settings used to adjust clips, including position, zoom, rotation, and of course cropping. If the Inspector is not already visible, just click it to open. Once you're inside the Inspector, look under the Video tab. This section contains the main visual controls for your image. Scroll or look through the available options until you find Cropping, then click on it to expand the crop settings. Expanding this section will reveal the controls you need to fine-tune the visible area of your image. From here, you'll see several crop options. You can crop from the left, right, top, or bottom, depending on which part of the image you want to hide. This gives you full control over how the image appears in your project. For example, if there's extra empty space on one side, you can trim it down without affecting the rest of the image. You'll also see a softness option. This can be useful if you want the cropped edge to look less harsh and a little more blended. In many cases, a clean edge works perfectly fine, but softness is there if you want a smoother visual result. To make adjustments, simply click and drag the crop controls until the image looks the way you want. As you drag, you'll be able to see the changes directly in the viewer, which makes it easy to fine-tune your crop in real time. Take your time and adjust each side carefully so your framing looks balanced. And that's it. That's how to crop images in DaVinci Resolve. Once you know where the crop controls are, it becomes a fast and easy way to improve the look of your visuals.